In this time of absolute chaos, so many of us are so tight. We're in fear, we're contracted, we're scared, we're nervous, our bodies are like this. If that's you, stay tuned because I am going to share with you one of my absolute favorite 3-minute exercises that you can do to absolutely change your state, to relax your body, to feel so much better so you can go on with your day. Hi, I'm Renee McLaughlin. I'm a health coach and a somatic educator, and I can't wait to share this with you. But before I do that, would you make sure that you go down, click the subscribe button, and ding the bell so you get notified when I share more information on how to help us feel so much better in our bodies. All right, let's get started. So when we are in tension and we're scared, what do? We're all contracted up like this. We stop breathing. Our breathing, if we're doing it, is all shallow and everything is contracting up here in our heart region. This exercise is a breathing exercise that in 3 minutes is going to shift you out of that. So let me share how to do it. Now, you're going to be doing some deep inhales. The inhales are going to come in through your nose. You're going to expand your belly balloon, bring the air all the way up. I'm going to show you how to do it. We're going to do it together. As you do, you're going to lift everything. I want you to visualize this energy coming right up with the air, all the way up your body, just like tension does. This is what we do when we're tense. We're going to raise our shoulders. We're going to really contract those neck muscles, and then we're going to slowly exhale through the mouth as though you're going through pursed lips like through a straw. And you're going to slowly let that air go, relaxing the shoulders, relaxing everything. Visualize all the tension in your body going right down through the center of the earth, and then we bring it back up as energy, back down out as release of tension. The visualization is very powerful. It works along with the breath. So let's do this together. I'm going to do it 3 times. You can certainly feel free to continue the breathing on your own. You ready? Let's get started. So down from the tips of your toes, down into the earth. You ready? Inhale. Really feel the energy, just like tension. What happens when we get tense? We raise everything up. Those shoulders are up by our ears. Do it, exaggerate it, pull it up, squeeze those muscles up by your neck. This is called a neck pandiculation. Now slowly through the mouth. Visualize all the tension draining out of the body. It's all going straight down. Give it down to Mother Earth. She'll take it, she'll alchemize it so that it's energy as you pull it back up, all the way through your body. As you come up, can you now squeeze the perineum shut? That's the part where you're trying not to pee. Try it, pull it up. Notice the difference that makes. Slowly exhale. Letting it all drop, let the shoulders drop, let all the tension drop. Even notice if you're holding tension in your legs, let it drop. Here we go one last time. Inhale, down, up. How high can you get those shoulders? Can you get them up even higher, up by your ears? Squeeze those muscles. Exhale like through a straw. I like to shut my eyes so I can really engage the visualization all the way down through your body. And now, just notice, just doing those 3 deep breaths like that can really change your state. If you can do it 5 times, it's even better, but even 3 will make a difference. Now what I like to do after that is just jump up and down. Let those shoulders really move. Let your hands shake. Let the body go. While this might look and feel a bit silly, you're simply discharging out all that tense muscle and energy, all the tension from the body, and then stop. Let's do one more deep inhale. You ready? Down through the belly. Squeeze that perineum, pull everything up, pull everything up. Notice how now those neck and shoulders aren't quite as tight. Exhale. And just notice how much less tension you feel in the body. Tension and stress is the biggest killer. If we're trying to relax and really support our nervous system, we've got to find ways to relax our bodies. And I know how hard that is. So as soon as you start getting into your fear place, Tell your body to stop, begin the deep breathing, and exhale. It will change your state, I guarantee it. Now, the next thing that you want to do every day if possible is get on the floor and do some relaxes and some releases. I have some lovely videos up here on YouTube. I'll recommend a couple of them where you can just get down on the floor and really use your mind to relax. This is so important, especially as we're going through these very stressful times. So I just want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch this and for doing this. And much love. Be safe, self-distance, wash your hands, and relax. Have a beautiful day.